Hello guys, welcome to Agriculture Center, and once again I'm here to give you yet another episode. Which today video I'm going to show you how to use AB80, WD-40 and 7D preventive lubricants to clean your car light, to clean your car body dent, to clean your car preventive moisture and anti-rust. This is the product I'm talking about. It's very powerful for you to use it. It is very awesome, and if you use this product, I'm telling you, you are going to see amazing things. I am going to do 4 amazing videos that this product can do to surprise you. Whenever you want to buy a new headlight, take note, most of the time it's not even the light that you are going to change. You have to, because of the sun or heat, you must see a fading on the front of the light, which you might need this to clean it, and you can see the difference. It will turn to new. Whenever you have a scratch on your car body, please, you can also use this to clean it, which you will not see anything and see the original color. You can use it to protect your car moisture suspension. You can use it to spray all bolt and nuts and hidden places, especially you can use it to spray it inside your trunk so that there will be no moisture and rusting. So this is the product I'm holding. Mostly people use WD-40 and other lubricants. We have no finish AB80, but I prefer this more than other products because I have used it, I have tried and tested it, and I can give a testimony about it. So this is what I'm going to do. Please, if you haven't done yet on this platform, this is Agriculture Center, and I welcome you. Please kindly hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated when we upload new video. Don't forget to like my video, share, and put your comment below in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Guys, let's get into the video.
Getting Then we